How to make a boomerang on Instagram using camera roll. Well, to make a boomerang on Instagram using camera roll, first you need to make sure that the picture is off the live photo mode. So if you open up camera on your Instagram, on your iPhone, tap on this little icon here at the top. I don't know if you were able to see it, and you want to make sure you enable live photo feature. Then if you click the picture here, it'll be saved as live photo. So you can see it is saved as live photo. Now if you open up Instagram now and you tap on the story icon, then tap on this story again camera icon and make sure that you select boomerang from this modes option. So select boomerang here and then proceed to select the image from your camera roll. Now you can see once you select the image here, boomerang option pops up. Select it and now it'll be selected as boomerang. You can see the preview. You can tap on done and you can proceed to upload it. So this is how you can make a boomerang on Instagram using camera roll. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.